Okay, there is a potential flanking path where the new timbers have boxed out the chimney breast. They've created a good double timber, put a new set of timbers on 3 large joists. They've cut into the joists to raise above the web. Acoustically that works very well, structurally probably not. And as you can see, the eaves aren't going to be treated. There'll probably be a cupboard space in here, which again acoustically won't work. But a nice deep joist. The ceiling is double tacked with blue Sound Ltd.